Hello, this is Voigtländer Vitoret. It's built in 87. Made in Germany, or at the time is West Germany. It's look like very similar with other viewfinder camera. Okay, we can shoot. This is the brand of this icon. It's the brother of or twin of Leica, the most expensive camera in the world, and many types of Leica is very similar with these Voigtländer Vitoret. If you look the lens, it's not interchangeable. It's built-in, such as others. Okay, built-ins. Yes, it's built-ins. It's look like many others camera. I can say it look like Fujifilm's X20. Okay, thank you for the review and thank you for the watching.